Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and someone sent me this file, and he actually had a pointer to this circle right here, and he said it was just cutting this circle out over and over and over and over and over. And he's doing color mapping because he's got a green hairline around. So all these are hairlines, so he's evidently vectoring the whole thing out with a blue real lightly just to be fast and engrave it. But then he's cutting out the green, but he said it would just keep going over this part. And I do not know if you can see this in your monitor, but if he hadn't have pointed it out, I could have identified it right away. This circle looks thicker and fuzzy from this zoom. Now, if you zoom in, it doesn't really look bad. But if you zoom out, the further you go out, the worse it gets. So what has happened is he's got multiple lines in the circle. So the whole thing is in a group, so we're going to go to Arrange and Ungroup All. He's got it set on millimeters, so I'm going to set it on 10 millimeters. That's your nudge distance. And I'm going to bring this and I'm going to move it over 10 millimeters. Now let's zoom in here. And it's one hairline. Looks the same. But go up to Arrange, Break Curve Apart. Now, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit the delete key. Let me zoom in here a little bit better. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There were 21 circles. So, hit your undo button. Now nudge it back over. And you didn't really have to move it, but I like getting it out of the way. And then all you'd have to do is select it all, go up to Arrange and group it back together. Anyway, so that's how when you have, and see from the same zoom level, now they look like one line is not fuzzy, it's as clear as the other lines. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.